Students, welcome back to Computer Applications classes of class 9. Today is the fifth session of Word Processor 1 and probably it will be the last of Word Processor 1. So in this session we will be learning page formatting. So let us first understand what is page formatting and what are the different ways to do it. So page formatting is nothing but making changes or do some settings for page design and layout, and it can be done with the help of page size, margins, headers and footers, numbering pages and page bordering and shading. So let us start with page size. Page size is nothing but size of a particular page, and we can change it with the help of page layout tab, wherein we have to just click on the size command, and when we will click on the size command we will get the current page size highlighted. Let us see how you will get it. In the page layout tab, just see over the screen, I have given the screenshots. The size command, you have to just click it and you will get this whole drop down menu, and you can see the letter, this one is highlighted because this is the current size of that particular page when I have taken the screenshot. So let us start with margin. Margin is the distance from the text to the paper's edge. We have already discussed margin in our previous slides, basically previous session. So but margin is again an important thing for page formatting, so we have to discuss it again. Just to recapitulate, so the types of margin, it can be left margin, right margin, top margin and bottom margin. As the name suggests, left margin means it is the distance of the text and the left edge of the paper. Similarly, right margin, distance between the text and the right edge of the paper. Top margin, distance between the text and the top edge of the margin, and bottom margin, distance between the text and the bottom edge of the paper. Types of margin can also consider gutter margin and mirror margin. It is the extra space inside margins to ease up binding. So whenever you have seen that your book is binded, so you would have seen some extra space. That space is done with the help of gutter margin, and mirror margin gives same space in and out of the margins. So let us see top margin. You can see the examples: left margin, right margin, bottom margin, and here you can see the example of gutter margin and mirror margin. And in MS Word you will get this in the page layout tab. You will get the margin option. The moment you will click on the margin option, you will get the options in the drop down menu. Now let us understand what is header and footer. Headers or footers are the text or graphics such as page number, date or company logo or some chapter name that appears on the top or the bottom of each page of a particular document. The header is printed on the top margin, whereas the footer is printed on the bottom margin. This is the basic difference between header and footer. Now over here in the screen you can see which one is the header and which one is the footer. The date that has been given is the header portion, and the page number or the timing is the footer portion. Now in MS Word you can get it in the insert tab. You will get header, footer, whichever you want. You have to just click it and you will get this option where you want to have it. Now let us start with numbering pages. So, to number pages you have to go to insert tab and then page number, it is just besides the header and footer option in the insert tab. You have to click it. The moment you will click, you will get the options. So, the moment you will click on the page number, you will get these options: top to page, bottom of page, page margins, current position, format page numbers or remove page numbers. So, whichever you want, you can get it. Now, at the last, we have got page border and shading. Borders are basically some rules you can add to any of all or all, either in a particular page or all of the page of a document, or even you can add border to a particular paragraph. And shading is the color or artistic design that can be used as a background of a particular paragraph or a particular page. So, borders and shading are formatting tools for enhancing text, paragraphs, tables, cells or frames. So, you can get this option in the page layout tab, and just nearby the watermark and page color you will get the option as page border under the page background group of page layout tab. The moment you will click on this, you will get this page border and shading dialog box, wherein you will get 3 tabs: borders, page border and shading. Border is basically for the bordering of paragraphs that we have already done in paragraph formatting in our previous sessions, and for page bordering we will click on the page border option. I will just zoom it. Yes, we will click on the page border option. So, here you will get the options, whether you want to have a box, shadow, 3D, some automatic colors, you have to increase the width or not, whatever you want to apply it for the full document or a particular page. And if you want to have a shading, you can just click on the shading, you will get these options. If you click on the color, you will get the color palette. Select the color whichever you want to have as the shading of that particular page, and you have to just press OK. So, for reference, you can refer Computer Applications book of Sumita Arora of class 9. With this, we are ending our session and probably we are finishing a chapter. Thank you.